To be nominated for International Student of the Year, it means a lot to me, and I feel so proud because I would be the first member in my family to study abroad and get this award, and it means a lot for me as well as for my family. I would love to thank all of my teachers who nominated me, especially Rashikala, who is my course coordinator. She helped me a lot during my studies.
I really enjoy doing the assignment with my teammates, like same like friends or the lecturer, because like when we're doing all our assignment, we had to like do it by ourselves, but we have a support from our lecturer and friends, like help us to save our time and then to achieve the goal we want to.
I felt like I was recognized for my hard work and the effort I put into this study throughout, even though the fact that I started my course in nursing was during the start of pandemic at the same time, but it has nothing to, actually like stopping me from trying my best to actually achieve the best results I've ever envisioned.